Anna, a graphic designer, swaps her cluttered studio for a streamlined space, trading chaos for focus and creative breathing room. She faces sentimental guilt, a flood of excess gear, and the fear that less means less identity. The turning point arrives when a single project revives, reminding her that fewer tools sharpen rather than blunt imagination. Adopting a capsule wardrobe and a schedule that honors rest, she uncovers energy for client work and play. Her story invites viewers to start small, celebrate micro wins, and trust the clarity that follows when life simplifies.